I am in love with Boldly Growing's cedar raised planter boxes. I got two of these and they were so easy to put together and they hold so much. As you can see, they're very deep, lots and lots of space for all of my plants, and I did paint them and then added irrigation as well, as I wanted these to stay watered as I went away on summer trips. So I definitely stepped up a little bit on what they originally were, but when you first get them, they are a natural cedar wood. They smell beautiful, definitely high quality, designed to last, and just gorgeous. These not only look great, but they are incredibly convenient. I love being able to stand to water and weed and harvest. Boldly Growing cedar raised planter boxes are fantastic.